Alright guys, just an update about the Mr.fix ceramic coating, the one that I used like a year ago. So I've used like almost about everything on this bottle, maybe 80% or 90%. I think this one is a knockoff, or it's a fake one. Why? Because after a few months I started to have some clouding or some unwanted stains on the hood, like this one. This one cannot be removed by just I don't know, by car washing it or using car shampoo. They're not dirt, they're like cloud, and the only way to remove them is, I think, by using a soft cutting compound or hard cutting compound. And we're gonna try use the DuPont later on. There's a lot of clouding, especially on the side like this. They're almost like dirt. Not sure. Yeah, there. I think you can see this one much better. They're like dirt, but it's really hard to remove. Or I don't know, maybe they're from the car wax that I'm using, the Botny. But some of them cannot be removed even though you wash them. I think the only way is to go to a detailer. There you go. This one, even though you rub them, it's still there. Yeah. So I'm gonna try and use the foam pad glaze. I'm just gonna do it by hand and using this applicator, and then I'm gonna wash off the car, and then I don't know if this is a good brand or good idea. We're gonna try use this wax, and I'm gonna check what will happen. So I'm gonna do this part first. There's a lot of clouding. It's really hard to see on the camera, but here you go. See? Maybe it's with the wax. I'm using the Botny wax. I don't know. So I'm gonna try remove them. Or maybe I should switch to Megwars. I'll give you an update if we can go ahead and remove them. Let's go ahead and gonna start off with the DuPont. Just a little bit. This is almost like a polishing wax or a soft cutting compound. So far, no pressure. Not applying any pressure at all. Here you go. I think this one is doing a great job. So far it's getting whiter and whiter. So I'm not applying any pressure at all, just spinning, wax on, wax off. Okay, I'm gonna do this part first, the right side. There, you can see here it's really nice and white, and it's dirty over here. Oh. I'm gonna continue buffing the right side and show you any progress later on. But so far this one is working great. It's really not hard to apply. Okie dokes, I'll be back. I hope this one will work. So far it's almost done on the right side. The paste is getting dry. We don't want that. Dirty and almost clean. By the way, this is the wax that I use, the Botny made in Japan crap, and this one is only $6, so I think this one is a fake. I'm gonna switch over to 3M or Megwars. So far it's doing good job removing the stains, the DuPont. So I'm gonna check what will happen later. Guys, I'm all done with the DuPont. This one is applied on the right side of the hood. So you can see this one is really dirty, or should I say there's a lot of clouding over here, but on the right side I think we are all set. It's kind of much better, so I'm gonna try seal it off with the 3M polishing wax, paint protector. Not really sure if the problem is with the Mr.fix or the Botny car wax. So I'm gonna stop using this one, also saying goodbye to Mr.fix, and I'm gonna switch over to 3M or maybe next time Megwars. Here's the line. Pretty sure you can notice it. This is kind of cloudy, and this one is all white. So I'm gonna start applying this with a new set of applicator, and let's see what will happen later on. By the way, I'm only using my hand, so I'm not using any machine. That is to avoid unwanted scratches. So just gonna apply this all around, and I'll let you know what will happen. I'll be back. It's really hard to shoot and wax at the same time. Okay. Okay, 3M paint protector applied. New set of applicator. What we have here? Nothing. So I'm gonna let this sit tight for maybe 3 to 5 minutes or more. Again, no buffing machine, no polishing machine, just using my hand. Since I'm a newbie, I really don't know anything about removing unwanted stains on car surface or car paint. Okay, so we're gonna shoot later and let's see what will happen, or maybe it's a disaster waiting. But so far so good. I don't see any deep scratches a while ago. So I'm gonna say goodbye to Botny and bye bye to Mr.fix. Much better if you want ceramic, go with the professional. You can get the high-end one or have them serviced by professionals. This one is just a DIY to Mr.fix, so it's a one hell of a disaster. Save some money, but in the end you lose some after 6 months or a year. Okay, and I'm done buffing it. So after leaving this for like 1 minute or two, I polished this one using just microfiber, and I did not use any buffing machine or polishing machine. I just used my hand. So far I think it's doing great. So you can see this is the part where it's kind of clean and no clouding. This is the part it's kind of dark. There's a lot of clouding going on over here. So I'm gonna say goodbye to Botny and Mr.fix, saying hello to 3M, or maybe next time make wires. Yeah. Okay. Gonna go back, finish this off, but yeah, if I were you, try to stay away from this Botny car wax and Mr.fix. They will just give you stains like this. Okay, dokes. So I'm gonna check 3M if this one will last for, I don't know, maybe several weeks, and the results, will it be the same or will it be much better? Adios.